Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So if you've accidentally changed the system language and you have no idea what to do, where you can find proper options, then simply follow all of my steps. First of all, let's open the settings. So this gear icon, let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll all the way down to find the option Additional Settings with the three dots icon. Then let's tap on the second option, which is Languages and Input, and then tap on this first option, which is Languages. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all we have to do right now is to find the language which we would like to apply and tap on it. I will pick Greek. So just tap on it, and after getting back you can see that now the language has been immediately applied, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course we can we can change it again, and let me do it because I have no idea how to speak Greek or read Greek, and here we've got the English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.